1 minus 2 sin square theta. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta value is 2 by 3. So it remains the same value. That is form is different, but the value is same. Now another question. Question number 10. If x be the number of edges of a paralleloid and y is the number of surfaces such that for what surfaces, then for what least value of a, x plus y is the perfect square. So x is the number of edges of a paralleloid and y is the number of surfaces of a paralleloid. So we have given in we have to find out a least value of a such that this value x plus y plus a is a perfect square. So here we have to find out the perfect square. We know that the paralleloid edges are 12. So x must be 12. Paralleloid or cuboid, x must be 12, and the total surfaces of the paralleloid or cuboid is 6. So here you can find out this value x plus y plus a. So 12 plus 6 plus a, we have 8 plus a. So now the nearest perfect square of to 18 plus a is 16 plus 2 plus a. So this value should be 0, so that this value takes a perfect square. So 2 plus a is equal to 0, then a is equal to minus 2. So if we take the least value a is equal to minus 2, then x plus y plus a will be the perfect square. Now we will go to the next question. For 11, for question 11, here given that the ratio of the length of radius of two solid right circular cylinder is given 2:3, and the ratio of two the length of the radius of two solid right circular cylinders is 2:3, and heights ratio, the ratio of their heights is 5:3. Then the ratio of the area of the curved surfaces. So we have to just compare or find out the ratio of curved surfaces of two right circular cylinder, where their ratio of sides 2:3, or we have taken we can take 2r plus 3r, and heights of the two cylinders are 5 each and 3 each. Now if we recall the area of the curved surfaces, this is 2 pi r into the height, 2 pi r into height. So first circular cylinder's area is 2 pi 2r 5 each, and second circular cylinder curved surface area is 2 pi r into height.
মুড়ি ছিটাই মিটার মুড়ির বাটিটা কোথায় আছে সব?